Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making choices that shape the piece. Select Empty Project, then pick an instrument, acoustic piano or Rhodes, to establish the harmonic palette. Once done, set tempo and key so the feel is consistent. 120 BPM works for medium swing. Make sure the metronome is on and set sample rate to 44,100 Hz for clean audio. Now record a short comping loop to lock the groove. This first take guides arrangement and solo spaces. You now deepen the arrangement. Program a simple brush drum pattern and lay down an upright bass walking line that outlines Roman II VI progressions. While recording piano comping, use inversions and voice leading. This keeps motion smooth and opens space for solos. Once tracks exist, apply gentle low-pass EQ on piano and light compression to the bass so elements sit together. Make sure to humanize timing, avoid heavy quantization. Small timing variations give jazz its life and swing. You finish by arranging solo sections and finalizing the mix. Record 2 to 3 chorus solos, then comp the best phrases. Use stereo panning, piano slightly left, guitar or Rhodes right, and add a send reverb for room cohesion. For mix balance, apply subtractive EQ and light bus compression, reference on headphones and monitors. If things sound muddy, solo instruments to locate overlaps. Then high-pass non-bass tracks around 100 to 200 Hz to clear low-end buildup.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.